But here, by philosophy, we don't mean what normally people do know. Yes, all physical sciences, maybe that is Hikmat Amaliya or Hikmat Nazariyya. So both, that is called al-Hikma al-Tabi'iyya. Got it? Physical or material hikmah. So the definition was once again, علم بأحوال أعيان الموجودات على ما هي عليه بقدر الطاقة البشرية. And as we mentioned that أعيان, in the definition we do mean by it the jawhar and the araz both. No, that's not. Don't go ahead. But yes, just hold yourself. علم بأحوال أعيان الموجودات. So jawhar, as we defined before, إذا وجد كانت لا في موضع, for its very existence. It doesn't need any place. Got it? Its very existence, that is not in need of place. Got it? But araz, that is such a thing in its very existence that is in need of a place, otherwise it will never exist. Like whiteness. Like what? Like whiteness. Like blackness. Like redness. Got it? Or qualities. What? Qualities. So qualities itself does not exist. It exists in shape of a thing. It exists in shape of a... So quality, that is araz, that is not jawhar. Thing, that is jawhar. Got it? So now, in hikmah, we are trying to have the knowledge. To have what? The knowledge. Today I was studying, so that was a very good saying of a British philosopher. He said that ignorance is not dangerous. Hallucination of knowledge is too much dangerous. Is it? Yes. When people do not know, and yes, they believe that we know. So I said, this is very dangerous. And I think that now 90+% or 99%. Yes, we have this sickness, hallucination. So, علم بأحوال أعيان الموجودات على ما هي عليه. It's أحوال. It's أحوال على ما هي عليه. As they are in its very nature. As they are in its very nature. Its whereabout. All about its whereabout. Yes. بقدر الطاقة البشرية, as much as the human can do. And the human can do only a little. وما أوتيتم من العلم إلا قليلا. Whatever the scientists up till now, whatever they have found, so they have found everything? No, only a little bit. Got it? So that's why in definition, Shaykh Muhammad, we put what? بقدر طاقة البشرية. As much as, because if you will not put it, so a person would not be considered a alim of a specific hikmah as long as he does not know it 100%. Got it? And that's impossible. 100% is known only to Allah. So that's why in definition we put علم بأحوال الموجودات على ما هي عليه بقدر الطاقة البشرية. So then we said, then a'mal and actions, a'mal and actions, they are of two types. One which we can do, its existence is, we can bring it to existence. And we give you the details, which is regarding the good of this world or the hereafter. Regarding the good of this world or the hereafter. Islah al-ma'ash aw al-ma'ad. So that is called Hikmat Amaliya. Al-Hikmat Amaliya. That is Hikmat Amaliya. Practical. What does Hikmat Amaliya mean?
Practical.
Practical. And those actions are things which existence is not in our control. Which existence is not in our control. That is called al-Hikmat Nazariyya, or theory, or theoretical. And both, so now these are two types. Hikmas are of two types. And both are of three types. Everyone is three types. So al-Hikmat Amaliya, number one, regarding correction a person, Islahul Fard, yes, to reform your own self, to correct your own self. What you can do in this regard? Got it? Because that amal and that fail, that's in your control. You can bring it to existence. That is Hikmat Amali. That is what? That is Hikmat Amali. So what you can do? Yes. As Nasim says, Kaw Makwa. Yes. Do and do. Do and don't do.
Confused.
Don't jump. Why you cannot hold yourself?
Confused.
Yes. So, do and don't do. This is life. And life says do, and life says don't do. Got it?
Got it.
So that is called what you can do for correction of your person. Yes, to do things and to avoid things. Write it down. Doing things and avoiding things. Doing things and avoiding things. Shaykh Muhammad, for you, ليتحلى بالفضائل, to adorn yourself with virtues. To adorn yourself with what?
Virtues.
With virtue. وليتخلى عن الرذائل, and to protect yourself from razila. What is razila? Something which is hated. Yes, like lie. Lie is good thing?
No.
Khiyanat and cheating. That's good thing? Yes, killing someone, doing zina, may Allah forgive and forbid, committing theft, slapping someone for no reason, insulting someone, biting someone from his back, slandering. Yes, just name it. So these are razail. So do, yes, what can adorn your personality. And don't do what can damage and make your personality ugly. Got it?
Got it.
So that is Hikmat Amaliya. That is Hikmat Amaliya. Shah Sahib Rahmatullah alayhi and other philosophers, they call it Tahذيب al-اخلاق. They call it what? Tadbir al-Akhlaq. Number 2. For the correction of a limited group, for the correction of a limited group, there are things to do and there are things not to do. Yes, to correct and reform. To correct and reform a limited group. What this limited group Imam means with, or other philosophers as well, they mean the family. That's limited group. That is what?
Limited.
So now this limited group, what a husband is bound to do and what a husband is bound not to do. What a wife is bound to do and what a wife is bound not to do. Got it? What the parents are bound to do for their kids and what the kids are to be protected from. Got it? So the philosophers, they call it Tadbir al-Manzil. Tadbir al-Manzil. Tadbir al-Manzil means, yes, how to reform the family life. Yes? That practice or that practical. Got it?
Good.
But they got married before, so they are too late now. Yes. They were not aware of Imam at that time. Yes?
Yeah, correct.
They never studied philosophy at that time.
That's right.
Otherwise, they would have done a great job. Still, they can work, but yes. And number 3, for the good of community at large, for the good of the community at large. There's also a group of people, but millions and millions of people. Yes.
Yes.
Look, family is also a group of people, but 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, yes. So there you are working for that group, for their good, for their reformation, for their correction. But then community at large, like a state. Like what? A state and those who are living therein. So the third type of Hikmat Amaliya is how to correct the people living in a state. How to do certain things for the correction of the people and to avoid certain things not to damage the people. or not to them in the community, or not to them in the... So the philosopher, they call it a Siyasat-e-Madania. A Siyasat-al-Madaniya. Yes. You can call it what? Huh?
Socio-political.
Say loudly.
Socio-political.
Yes. Social and political. And as far as Hikmat Nazariyya is concerned, so that will be next inshallah. And then we'll be going ahead. Yes. And then inshallah you will study